Here is an uncomfortable truth. Most analytics and AI projects don't stumble on model accuracy, they stall on data. Access takes weeks. Pipelines break on data changes. Sensitive fields make the approval process very slow. Every new source multiplies the complexity. What if you flip the script? Imagine the teams closest to the business, publishing data like products with documentation and contract, so change never blindsides consumers. There is a name for this way of working. It's called data mesh. In one line, produce once, govern consistently, reuse everywhere. Hello, my name is Mateusz Gałek. I have almost 20 years of experience delivering business solutions around software, data and cloud. Today I lead AWS Data and AI stream within Cloud and Digital practice in PwC Poland. We just imagine what good looks like. Now, let's make it your team's everyday experience. Data mesh principles only stick when the technology platform makes the right move by default. It must make the right steps: publish, approval, access, lineage, all in one flow. With that in place, teams move fast and stay compliant. Without it, work slows down and becomes inconsistent. Here is the good news. You don't have to invent this. I will show you two proven rules that makes this approach automatic. On AWS, Amazon Data Zone becomes your discovery and access hub, the marketplace for domain data products. You can define hierarchical business domains, create and publish curated products with data owners and business glossaries, and let consumers find, request and use them without long back and forth. Access approvals follow clear workflows with policies that are applied automatically, so teams move faster without sacrificing control. Unity Catalog is your hub for discovery and control. Teams publish data products with clear owners and lineage, and colleagues access those products with policies enforced in the background. No ticket ping-pong. Delta Lake makes product fast and trustworthy, with visible freshness so people know when data is ready. Delta sharing enables secure, no-copy collaboration across teams and partners. The business outcome is the same for both approaches: faster time to insight, safer collaboration and confident compliance. Let's recap. AI success is a data problem first, when domains own their data as products, and the platform makes sharing safe and simple. AI accelerates. Your next step is small and focused. Pick one high-impact use case, define 2 or 3 data products it needs, and deliver end-to-end path from ingest to insight. Prove value quickly, then scale. And don't forget, produce once, govern consistently, reuse everywhere.